YouTube, what's up? It's Foster with Tech A Day. Got a quick one today. Getting ready to unbox a special package. Let's see what we got. What do we have? That's right, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra. Now we're gonna see what Ultra really is. So we got the Galaxy S26 Ultra in the house, and you know, I had wanted to cook that one, but I said, you know what? I'm not gonna do that. I'm going to get this. I'm gonna see, because the S26 Ultra is a great device, but my issue is I just don't believe it's worthy of the Ultra moniker. And maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna put it against its paces against the X9 Ultra, and we're gonna find out if the S26 is really Ultra, because it is a damn good phone. It's probably one of the best Android phones that we have readily accessible in the United States, but that does not make it a Ultra device. Not by any means. So we're gonna see. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we get inside. Oh, nice packaging. Oppo always does it right. We get the phone. We're going to put that to the side. We get our cable, USB-A to USB-C. We get our SuperVOOC 100-watt charger in the box. Super nice SIM ejection tool. These are underrated. I love a good SIM ejection tool. I'm pretty sure this is a nice case. Yes, it is. Let's take a look at this. We got a decent case. Ooh, look at that. Nice case in the box. Now, this might shock some people, but I opted to go for the Chinese ROM device. And now, I know, I did this for you guys, because yes, I could have easily gotten the global ROM. It's the Chinese and the global ROM are both available at the store, techaday.net, but I decided to go for the global ROM because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what you can do and what you can't do with a Chinese ROM device in the USA in 2026. Now, a Chinese ROM device is very different from a Chinese-based OS like a Huawei device. This device will have Google services, this will have Google apps, it'll have all that stuff on the device. You're not gonna have to do any crazy workarounds, nothing, you know, all that stuff will be just fine. You know, this won't have a couple, you know, key things like circle to search, and you know, you won't be able to do some of the native you know, Google features like Hey Google and that kind of stuff with it. But other than that, especially with the Oppo and Color OS, I mean, it's like 90%, maybe more, a global ROM, even though it is a Chinese ROM. But I'm going to show you all of those things, and I'm going to tell you what works and what doesn't work, so you can decide how you spend your money. If you're going to import one of these devices, let's take a look at that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. That design on the back is amazing. That camera array is beautiful. I mean, this feels amazing in the hand. Screen protector already on there. Oh man, this is great. This is going to be good. Look at that detail around that detail around the camera ring. Yeah, this is going to be great. So we're going to show you, what the carrier, what it's like on the carriers. I have Google Fi, I have Mint, which means how it's going to be on T-Mobile. You're going to know how it works for everything in the US. And so at the end of it, you'll be able to decide, is this a device that you could import, save some money, and potentially get a Chinese ROM? Or do you need to fully, spend the extra few bucks and get the full global ROM? So this would be it for me. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the device and show you everything that came with it. We're going to, do some pictures. We're going to put it through its paces, and we're going to find out what makes this thing ultra and see if this is truly the best camera phone that Android has to offer. Talk to you guys later.